Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're joining me for the first time, my name is Julie and I'm a German-speaking flight attendant for one of the major airlines in the United States. As I just said, I'm a German-speaking flight attendant, which means I usually fly to Germany or Switzerland. However, when I have some free time and I get a chance, I also pick up other international trips or even domestic trips. However, today is an international trip that I was able to pick up. So I'm currently in New Jersey at a hotel and I'm getting ready to start my 3-day international trip to Naples, Italy. Good morning. So I made it to my hotel room in Naples. It's 7:40 in the morning. 9 a.m. I'm gonna meet some of my coworkers downstairs because it turns out that they actually had the same plans as I did. So we're all gonna just go together and explore Naples. Well, actually outside of Naples. If you guys want to find out where we're going, I suggest you guys stick around and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Yeah?
Hi, Julie fans. There is the
Hi,
infamous
Luana.
tree. But Julie will love it.
Are they open? That looks so awesome.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, tell me.
How much is the lobster pasta?
I think I'll go ask her.
This was the one whole lobster and they split it in half.